Introducing the Shane's World Sorority Rush, a power-packed, sleek and smooth vibe made of a safe and pure hard plastic with a stylish decor ring made of the same material, silver-plated. This vibe is 4.5 inches long and 1 inch wide, making it the perfect size to slip into your purse for fun anytime. Get a rush when you use this vibe to stimulate any part of your body. It's easy to use. Just press the button to change the 3 intense speeds of vibration. This vibe uses one AA battery and is available in pink, blue, yellow, or purple. Your Sorority Rush is also waterproof for fun in and out of the water. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your Rush with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. Bright, stylish, and colorful like you. The Sorority Rush from Shane's World.